Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Sir Pandriadi SLMSE and all friends. On this occasion, we will convey material about the Indian economy. The first material will be delivered by Della Agustin.
Indian economy. Before it became a country with economic power, as powerful as it is today, India used to be a country with economic growth of less than 5% per year. The development of India can be divided into 4 stages. Before it became India as it is today. In 1951 to 1965 was the initial stages of economic development in India, which is characterized by the liberalization. At time the Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. It was evident at that time when Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru campaigning the purpose of his country in the economic sector than the purpose of his country and that time was to produce work and induce, not prohibit international trade. So that India does no falls into the imperialist vortex of the world economy.
Next will be explained by Della Purnama. To Della Purnama, I invite.
Factors driving India's economic growth. The driving factors of India's economic growth are as domestic demand and manufacturing activity. Thus, India's economic growth managed to surpass China with recorded economic growth of 6 at 9%. India's economy has benefited imports from falling commodity. This data show that India continues to be one of the major economic that the fastest growth in the world.
Next will be explained by Andiko. To Andiko, I invite.
In the chart above, India's export value growth in 2001 to 2002 was at 2.68%, then got jumped to 22.6% in 2002 to 2003, then in 2003 to 2004 to 2008 to 2009, the value of India's export growth fluctuated. Up to then, in 2009 to 2010, the value of export growth India has decreased from 28.90% to 0.57%, then jumped back in 2010 to 2011 to 35.17%, then decreased back to the figure in 2012 to 2013 to 11.48%. As for the value of import, are experiencing the same thing as growth export value.
Next will be explained by Fabiana. To Fabiana, I invite.
This table explains Indian export amount to $30.2 in April 2021. This record is down from the previous number of $34.5 for March 2021, and this data reside an all-time of $34.5 in March 2021.
Next will be explained by myself. The table shows that from March 1948 to March 1990, India had not experienced a positive increase. After the entry of the intention to start reforms in 1991 and the entry of SDI turned out to have a positive impact on the Indian economy. In a positive way, this was then able to lead India to become a competitor to major countries in terms of economic growth. Next, for the trade deficit, it decreased from 32.5 to 16.3 in 2002 to 2003, and then rose to 56.3 in 2003 to 2004. Then it rose again to 91.2 in 2004 to 2005. It fell again to 31.7 in 2006 to 2007. In 2008 to 2009, it rose to 49.7, then fell sharply to minus 2.9 in 2009 to 2010. In 2011 to 2012, it rose again to 62.7 and then fell back to 17.7 in 2012 to 2013. Thank you very much. Maybe that's all the presentation for our group. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.